become a disaster will depend on how the direction and the goals and the path is laid by the leaders. You have excellent people, excellent resources, natural and mineral resources in abundance. So we have everything all set. All that we need is tall and visionary leadership who will guide India from this transition period and transform it to a super economy or a developed economy. I was informally chatting with the former Supreme Court judge, retired Supreme Court judge, who in his anguish was mentioning, I have seen politicians pre-independence, now also I am seeing, I regret. And the way he described it was, pre-independence, they fought for the country, they struggled, they went to jail, and then they became ministers. Post-independence, they become ministers, and then, I don't want to say anything. But today, even that is not required. Mere resignation is enough. You know, that is another sorry state of affairs. So that should change. And accountability should not only be chartered accountants or those who deal with chartered accountants. It is for those who, you know, just as the businessmen are expected to exploit the economic resources and produce results to pay tax, the government should also demonstrate that the economic resources at their disposal, the human capital at their disposal, the natural and mineral wealth of this nation is exploited to the core of its potential and translate India into a powerful economy. We survived the crisis with least of impact. While everybody was reeling under crisis, we had only a slowdown. And this honorable finance minister gave stimulus packages after stimulus packages and revived the economy. We are again back on track, fast racing towards the double-digit economy. So in that scenario, I think each segment has to give its best. And, 20 years ago, Indian Airlines was the only airline, domestic airline. Even when there was a hoarding in Mount Road, Anna Salai, when in India, fly by Indian Airlines, somebody went and wrote, there is no other option. But today, that is not the scenario. You have any number of airlines competing with each other. Today, I traveled by Indian Airlines, Air India, and I found the competition is bringing the best out of Indian Airlines. The Indian air hostess have started smiling at the passengers. You know, it brings the best out of each person in a competitive scenario. So, ladies and gentlemen, we, the enviable community of chartered accountants who can compete with the best in the world, can transform and contribute to building a credible economy in this incredible India. I have spoken about triple challenges. I'll end by saying there are 3 categories of people in this world. First category, who make wonders happen. Second category, who watch wonders happen. Third category, who wonder what happened. We belong to the first category. Let us make wonder happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We need to close this session as soon as possible. We have some security instructions. I now request Chairman of Belgaum branch, memento on our behalf to Shri Padma Shri C.A.T.N. Manoharan, past president. Thank you, sir. And a quick vote of thanks by the SICASA chairman, Falguna Kumar.
I, on behalf SIRC of ICAI and the host branch, Ernakulam branch, I profusely thank Padma Shri C.A.T.N. Manoharan for giving us an excellent speech on the triple challenges ahead. Being an illustrious leader has shown us the path ahead. What cannot be avoided should be adopted. In the nature, every bird identifies its nest before laying its eggs for the sake of posterity. We as professionals in nation building have to shoulder the challenges with much more professional acumen. And the adage, in the course of time, when the going gets tough, the toughness gets going. He has given us a fair idea how we have to face the days to come and then rise up to the occasion in building the nation. I thank once again Sri Padma Shri T.N. Manoharan for giving us this message on this day. And I also thank Sri GVV Satyanarayana for being with us on the dais, and I thank one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Falguna Kumar, and request the coordinators to escort Padma Shri C.A.T.N. Manoharan off the dais. Delegates, I have a very important announcement, and this is a security announcement. All delegates...
1937, we are going to celebrate our Platinum Jubilee celebrations next year. And we have got one of the 14 banks to be nationalized in 1969. We are 100% CBS compliant, vast network of branches, global presence also we have. We have both organic as well as inorganic growth. We have 2015 branches, 874 ATMs as of now. We plan to increase the number of branches to 3,000 and ATMs to 3,000 shortly. We have got 6 overseas branches in Singapore, Taiwan, South Korea, Thailand, and Hong Kong. 4 representative offices, Vietnam, China, Malaysia, and Dubai. And we have 2 remittance centers in Singapore, 1 extension counter in Sri Lanka. We have got correspondent relationship with many banks abroad. We have non-life insurance JV, Universal Sampo General Insurance Company, with Allahabad Bank, Karnataka Bank, Daubur Investments, and Sampo Japan Insurance. We have signed JVJ with the Bank of Baroda and Andhra Bank to open banking subsidiary in Malaysia. Talking about our business, we have a total business mix of about 2,06,214 crores. Deposits 1,18,142 crores. Advances 88,072 crores. And capital adequacy ratio under Basel II is 13.16%. We have capital funds to the extent of 11,612 crores approximately. And we are a government-owned bank in the sense percentage of shares held by the Government of India is 1.23. Credit deposit ratio is about 74.55, and the staff strength is around 27,000 employees. As of 31/3/2010, it is 26,732. We have got 27,000 employees globally. We have an array of products, retail assets, home loans, IOB Subhagraha, home improvement scheme, home decor, home loan to NRIs, Pushpaka, vehicle loans, Vidya Jyoti, educational loans. In this part of the country, education loans are selling at its best. We have got Akshay, Sahayika, clean loan, and multi-purpose loans we have. We have pensioners loan scheme. We have IOB Sanjeevani, exclusively designed for the doctors. We have Liquident. This is loan against rental receivables. IOB Easy Trade Finance, hassle-free loans to traders, commercial cash credit against jewelry. We have Agri products, IOB Urban Horticulture Scheme, IOB Agri Transport, IOB Green Card, Green Credit, and IOB Arthya Scheme. We have MSME loans for IOB Advance against a Term Loan Scheme and loans under CGT MSC Scheme. The array of products and deposits, we have as usual savings bank. In the savings bank, we have got a regular as well as SB door frills account. SB corporate salary accounts we have introduced recently. Special SB products, we have SB Silver, SB Gold with a liquid deposit facility. We have current deposits, CD Regular, CD Classic, and CD Super. In terms of term deposits, fixed deposits, reinvestment deposit plan, easy deposit scheme, recurring deposits, gold RD, educational loan, educational deposit, Verdhan scheme, 75% extra for senior citizens. Other banks do not offer this. We are offering 0.75% extra for senior citizens. Tax savings scheme and floating rate deposit scheme. NRI accounts, we have FCNR, NRE, NRO, and RFC. For want of time, I am not going deep into the matter. And we have got para-banking facilities like insurance-linked products. We have IOB Healthcare Plus, IOB Jeevan, IOB Vidya Suraksha, Vidya Jyoti with Suraksha, liability insurance, and life insurance products of LIC. General insurance product of USGI, Universal Sampo General Insurance Company Limited. And we have mutual fund products of 8 leading asset management companies. Retail sale of gold coins, 2 grams, 4 grams, 8 grams, 20 and 50 and 100. And these gold coins are the cheapest as far as Indian Overseas Bank is concerned. We have IT-enabled products in the form of any branch banking product, 100% CBS, internet banking, mobile banking, IOB mobile and SMS alerts, internet payment gateway, point of sales terminals, IOB International Visa Card and Visa Debit and Credit Cards, and electronic transfer facilities through RTGS and NEFT.